Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Roomba i4 is probably one of the most talked about robot vacuums on the market, and for good reason, as it offers a fantastic blend of smart navigation, powerful suction, and convenient features that make keeping your home clean easier than ever before. If you're tired of spending your precious free time pushing a traditional vacuum cleaner around, then this intelligent cleaning companion might just be the solution you've been searching for, promising to tackle everything from everyday dust bunnies to stubborn pet hair with impressive efficiency and minimal effort on your part. Number 5. Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL-RV 1001 AE. Tired of constantly emptying your robot vacuum? This model features a self-emptying base that holds up to 45 days of dirt and debris, so you can relax. Experience deep cleaning power that tackles large debris, small messes, and even stubborn pet hair. It works effectively on both carpets and hard floors. The innovative brush roll digs deep into carpets and cleans hardwood floors, pulling up dirt and hair. It's engineered to pick up more hair and is designed to be anti-hair wrap. Easily schedule whole home cleanings or target specific rooms using the intuitive app. You can also use voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant for ultimate convenience. It intelligently maps your home, allowing you to select exactly which rooms you want cleaned. Get a customized cleaning experience tailored to your needs. This robot cleans your home methodically, row by row, and then moves from room to room. This ensures complete and efficient coverage of your entire living space. Never worry about it running out of power. It will automatically return to its dock to recharge and can seamlessly pick up where it left off. What we like. Forget about emptying for up to 45 days. This robot has a self-emptying base that holds dirt for over a month. If you hate the frequent task of emptying your robot's bin and want a truly hands-off experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The Roomba i4 is a great vacuum cleaner that picks up a lot of dirt and debris. It is also very easy to use and set up, and it navigates around furniture and obstacles effectively. The app control is a nice feature that allows you to schedule cleanings and control the vacuum remotely. Number 4. iRobot Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum. Introducing the iRobot Roomba 694, a smart and efficient way to keep your home clean. It's designed to seamlessly integrate into your daily routine, making cleaning effortless. Start cleaning with a simple voice command or schedule it through the app. It learns your habits to offer personalized cleaning schedules, making your life easier. Its advanced cleaning system effectively loosens, lifts, and suctions dirt from both carpets and hard floors. The edge-sweeping brush ensures no corner is left untouched. Equipped with advanced sensors, it navigates around furniture and along edges with ease. It also features cliff detect to prevent falls downstairs, ensuring safe operation. Dirt detect sensors identify dirtier areas, prompting it to clean high-traffic spots more thoroughly. Enjoy consistently clean floors every day. It runs for up to 90 minutes on a single charge. When the battery is low, it automatically returns to its dock to recharge, ready for its next cleaning cycle. What we like. It cleans smarter by learning your habits and listening to your voice. If you're looking for a robot that offers personalized cleaning schedules and integrates seamlessly with your smart home, this is a great starting point. What people say. The Roomba i4 is great for picking up pet hair, even from carpets. Its smart mapping feature allows it to learn your home's layout and clean efficiently. The app control is very convenient, letting you schedule cleanings and direct the robot to specific rooms. Number 3. iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. Experience exceptional cleaning with our advanced 4-stage cleaning system. Its unique dual multi-surface rubber brushes adapt to any floor type and effectively handle pet hair without tangling. Forget about vacuuming for up to 2 months. It automatically empties its bin into an enclosed bag, holding up to 60 days of debris, so you don't have to think about it. It learns your home and creates a smart map, allowing you to direct it to clean specific rooms whenever you want. You can even set a cleaning schedule or initiate cleaning on demand. Equipped with patented dirt detect technology, it identifies dirtier areas in your home and cleans them more thoroughly. This ensures a deeper clean where it's needed most. Enjoy the versatility of one machine that does it all. It easily converts from an all-floor vacuum to a vacuum and mop with a simple bin switch, handling both wet and dry cleaning tasks. The specialized microfiber mop pad is designed for effective wet floor cleaning. It tackles footprints, dirt, and dust, leaving your floors spotless. Customize your cleaning experience by filling the bin's tank with water or a compatible cleaning solution. Instantly transform it into a vacuuming and wet mopping robot for a fresh, clean home. What we like. This robot offers double the clean with one machine, handling both vacuuming and mopping. If you want a versatile device that can tackle both dry debris and wet messes, and also empties itself for up to 2 months, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Roomba i4 is a fantastic vacuum cleaner that picks up a lot of dirt and debris. It has a powerful suction that can handle even the toughest messes. The app is easy to use and allows you to schedule cleanings and customize cleaning preferences. Number 2. Improvedhand filters for iRobot Roomba EI and J series. These high-efficiency filters are designed to perfectly fit your iRobot Roomba vacuum cleaners E, I, and J series models. They ensure a snug fit for optimal cleaning performance. Experience superior air quality with these replacements. They effectively capture 99.9% of fine dust, dirt, and hair as small as 0.1 microns. For best results, clean them regularly and replace every 2 months. No tools are needed for a quick and easy installation. Simply remove the old filter and replace it with the new one in just a few minutes. Save time and energy with this simple process. This cost-effective package includes 6 replacement filters and a bonus cleaning brush. You'll have plenty of filters on hand, so you won't have to worry about running out. Our vacuum filter replacements are made from durable, eco-friendly materials to ensure top performance and a healthier home. We are committed to quality and offer 24-hour online support for any concerns. What we like. This is a cost-effective package of high-efficiency filters designed for specific Roomba series. If you own a compatible Roomba and are looking for an affordable way to maintain its performance with easy-to-install replacements, this pack is a practical solution. What people say. The Roomba i4 is a great vacuum for pet owners. It picks up pet hair effectively. The smart mapping feature allows the Roomba i4 to learn your home's layout and clean specific rooms. The app control is user-friendly, letting you schedule cleanings and direct the vacuum to specific areas. Number 1. Katerelis 26-pack replacement parts for EIJ series robot vacuums. Keep your robot vacuum running smoothly with this comprehensive 26-piece replacement kit. It includes everything you need to maintain optimal cleaning performance. Designed for a wide range of E, I, and J series models, this kit ensures a perfect fit for your robot vacuum. Please verify your model before purchasing. This set provides essential accessories to simplify your maintenance routine. You'll receive multiple sets of brushes, filters, side brushes, and dust bags, along with helpful tools. These parts are designed for easy cleaning and replacement. Regular maintenance will help extend the life of your robot vacuum and ensure it cleans your home effectively. For best results, we recommend replacing the side brushes and filters every 2 to 3 months, and the main brushes every 6 months, depending on your usage. If your side brushes arrive bent, simply soak them in hot water for a few minutes to restore their shape and ensure efficient edge cleaning. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we will provide a solution within 12 hours. Buy with confidence. What we like. This is a comprehensive replacement parts kit with wide compatibility for various Roomba EIJ series models. If you need a complete set of accessories including brushes, filters, and bags to keep your robot running smoothly, this package offers great value and convenience. What people say. The Roomba i4 is a great vacuum for pet owners. It picks up pet hair effectively. The app allows you to control the vacuum remotely and set cleaning schedules. It navigates well around furniture and obstacles, creating a cleaning map of your home. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.